Hello, and welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on Bullstock Info that look promising for trade for Thursday, June 25th. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit www.bullstock.info. We will start our video with a look at bullish engulfing chart patterns. The first bullish engulfing is ELNK. That's Earthlink Incorporated, ELNK. As you can see, the positive day yesterday and the bullish engulfing today, that after a big down drop coming below the 50-day moving average or blue line 2 trading days ago. I was going to say it's almost a 1% gain for the day, closing at 735 for ELNK. If you'll look back, has been in a nice steady uptrend, slight pullback, sideways consolidation along the rising 20-day moving average or gray line. Then we had a breakout, getting to a high, and then coming back down. And you'll notice that we're trading right along the area that we have seen previously on the left-hand side of your screen there. Pretty much a triple bottom, if you will, providing a level of support. So that's what makes this bullish engulfing that much nicer. Stochastics, as you can see, are in the oversold area. Volume is above average, so all the indicators are looking in our favor for the bullish engulfing chart pattern of ELNK. And the other bullish engulfing signal that we want to take a look at on this video is for Rackspace Hosting. That's RAX. Notice again this chart the same way, nice uptrend, following right along the 8 exponential moving average or dash line with the 20-day moving average providing support. So yesterday we came down and touched the 20-day moving average and kind of kicked off that, if you will, pushed us back up, opened, and then moved up steadily throughout the day, pushed through the 8 exponential moving average, over a 6% gain on the day. Stochastics were approaching the overbought area, but still plenty of room to run. Good volume. So a nice looking bullish engulfing for RAX, and like to see continued positive movement for this bullish engulfing chart pattern. And we'll have 2 bullish Harami chart patterns on this video, 2 bullish Harami chart patterns. The first is CSUN, CSUN. You'll notice the down day yesterday. Minor support provided by the 50-day moving average. That's your blue line. The Harami closing at 437 today. Your 20-day moving average, the gray line, and your 8 exponential moving average, your dash line, have crossed. We'd like to see trading get above that 8 EMA and that 20-day moving average. If we can do that tomorrow, that would be great. Takes 2 days, so be it. Stochastics are in the oversold area, so that looks good. So CSUN is our first bullish Harami chart pattern. And our second bullish Harami that we'll take a look at is BLC. Go back in time a little bit and look at this. A nice, good move up, sideways consolidation, moved up a little bit, came back down, still consolidating sideways as the 8 exponential and your 20-day moving average have come up and now moved over. Almost looks as if we're waiting for the 50-day moving average, the blue line, to come up. Yesterday we closed just below the 50. Today opening at the 50 and moving upward, so the 50-day moving average providing support. Stochastics way in the oversold area. You have your 8 EMA, the dash line, and the 20-day moving average, your gray line, pretty close together. We should be able to push through those after over a 5% gain today. Inexpensive stock, so you could load up on BLC, bullish Harami. And finally, we'll conclude with the Morningstar pattern and take a look at three signals for morning stars. The first, ENS. This Morningstar signal has an extra bonus that it formed on support at the 50-day moving average, your blue line. Stochastics approaching the oversold area, so plenty of room to run there. We had a high today touching the 20-day moving average, closed just below the 8 EMA, so we'd like to see that get through the 8 EMA tomorrow, stay above the 8 EMA, like to get above the 20, and then your recent high over here, close to $20, would be a good profit target. There is some resistance around the 1866 area. Still wouldn't be, that would be about $1 or so profit on that one if you wanted to take some off after reaching that mark. Another Morningstar signal, which again is a highly reliable chart pattern. Morningstar signal for HXL. Look at the stochastics in the oversold area and huge volume. Probably one of the biggest volumes of the charts we've looked at least maybe not in numbers, but at least a comparison on the chart to past volume activity. So big volume day today. That was up almost 5% on the Morningstar. 8 EMA and the 50-day moving average right there together. I'd like to get through that. And then your 20-day moving average, the gray line, could be a nice profit target. And finally, last Morningstar signal, running long on this video today, but that's okay. ACH, Morningstar signal. Stochastics oversold and curling up, decent volume. Again, the Morningstar, a highly reliable chart pattern. That's going to do it for our bullish candlestick chart pattern video, compliments of Bull Stock Info. For a complete list of free bullish candlestick chart patterns each and every trading day, visit the website www.bullstock.info.